Hello, everyone. I want to testify to the goodness of God in my life for what He's done for me through Pastor Bruce. Sometime in November 3rd to be precise, 2020, I had a surgery, which ordinarily was a routine surgery to remove cataract from my eyes, from the left eye precisely. But somewhere along the line, the surgeon did a shoddy job, and since then, I've not been seeing with my left eye. But after I had an encounter with Pastor Bruce through Pastor Gillian, who is my spiritual mother, things have never been the same. I'm seeing very well with my left eye now, to the glory of God. I want to give all glory back to Him for the good thing He has done through Pastor Bruce. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Amen.